Alright, trying to get a whole bunch of videos done in the last hour. Just did the video on the rebuild on the special edition. Now it's time to do a video on this. Now this I got 3 days ago. Yeah, I'm very late. This I got for $80 local. It was free, but I had to pay for gas to get down there. It works great. I don't really think I was going to do a video on this, like an acquisition, but Donovan, Vacuuminfo, requested a video of it running, so I just figured I'd do an acquisition video, and a running video. So, yeah, it works great. Both the headlights work. Our beloved Sparky is leaving the collection here very soon. She's being traded for a newer Thunder, newer than this even. See, these Thunders have sticker logos. You know, if I can peel it off. This one is silk screen, so you know I can't really peel it off. And the other one is the newer one with a silver cyclone and a lighter purple, and new stickers. So, yeah, let's go ahead and give it a whirl, I suppose. I've already vacuumed with the special edition, so it probably won't pick up very much, but it's worth a shot. Yeah, it's already July, and I've barely made any videos since school got out. School's been out for almost a month now. It's just been too hot to even vacuum. 4 days ago it was 105 degrees. That's really hot for Washington. Anyway, here's the Thunder. One more thing I'd like to note. It came with no attachments. And that's broken. As typical. There's no holes in the hose or anything. You know, it's in pretty good shape. It was just really clogged. 97. There's his patents. HEPA filter is definitely due for a change. It's bad. So, next time I see one and I have money in my bank account, I'll order one for it. And the new Thunder I'm getting. So, anyway, here's this. Donovan, you're welcome. Cyclone is very loud. Way louder than the domestic. Excuse the mess. There's a lot of stuff going on and I haven't had time to do anything, including making videos, so please forgive me. Hope I don't blow a breaker because I have the AC on. I hate this fucking apartment. It does a pretty good job. I like it. It's really easy to push. It kind of propels itself too, which is nice. See how far I can reach. Okay. Of course, longer than the special edition. Grooms the carpet nice. Works nice. Sounds nice. It was elderly owned, so you know, it doesn't have very many miles on it. And as far as the cord's going, here's the suction and I'll end the video.